Hey folks, today we are visiting Shiva Doul, the temple of Lord Shiva, situated in Sivasagar, Assam, in the northeast of India. Built by Bar Raja Ambika, the queen of the Ahom king Shiva Singha in 1734, it features the Shikhara architecture, which is specific of Ahom temples. At a height of 104 feet and with a golden dome, Shiva Doul stands as the tallest Shiva temple tower in India. It is surrounded by two other douls, Vishnu Doul, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, and Devi Doul, dedicated to Goddess Durga. Next to the temple is the Sivasagar tank or the Borpukhuri tank, spread over an area of 257 acres. This tank is about 27 feet deep and home to many migratory and seasonal birds. The water here remains stable throughout the year, even during monsoon. This tank is surrounded by the three temples, a Buddhist shrine, a church, two mosques, a museum of Thai culture, and a bird watching tower. The sculptures of Shiva Doul beautifully harmonize Brahminical Hindu culture with the Shaktism cult, which the Ahom Dynasty adopted and practiced throughout their 600 years of power. Since I was short of time during this trip, I've promised myself to do a detailed video of the architecture, the sculptures in my next visit to this amazing historical monument. Sunset by the Shiva Doul or over the Sivasagar tank is quite a watch, with many people flocking here to enjoy. I told myself I'll come by to do the same soon.